Hey, 96 Toyota Camry here. Gas door broke off, fell off, was off for quite a while. Been trying to get somebody to install it, and I just figured out myself. I have no clue how to work on cars, but I figured it out myself. So if I can do it, anyone can do it. And I just wanted to show what I did. So as you can see, this is the old piece that was just stuck on the car right here. Oh, there goes the screwdriver. So this was the old piece. It was stuck on the car. Of course, the door, gas door cover was not attached to it. So all I did was unscrew it with a Phillips head screwdriver. As you can see, the screws are rusted out pretty bad, so be careful with that. Thankfully, I did get them out, but be careful with that. And all you do, the new gas door cover comes with this piece already there. So you basically unscrew these two bolts on the old one, remove it, and then use the same screws to reinstall it. I don't know if gas doors don't come with new screws or what, but mine didn't. I ordered it off eBay, but that's how simple it is. And look, and it shuts perfectly. So if I can do it, anyone can do it.